To make rhubarb vinegar, chop up 450 grams of rhubarb and add it to a sterilized 1-liter mason jar with 50 grams of cane sugar and enough water to completely submerge the rhubarb. When we make rhubarb vinegar, we ferment the sugar in the vegetable and add a little extra sugar to jumpstart the process, which produces alcohol and carbon dioxide, so leave a little room at the top for the gas to escape. Then cover the top of the jar with a coffee filter to keep the bugs out, but still allows the natural yeast in the air to start the fermentation and allow the ferment to continue at room temperature. You need to stir the mixture every day to inhibit unwanted mold growth on the surface, and after a few days you should see a noticeable effervescence as you stir, which will continue for at least a week. After 2 weeks, a white film will have collected on the surface, which is known as the mother. It means the alcohol is feeding acetobacter, which turns the mixture into vinegar, and a good time to strain out the decomposing vegetable pulp. The vinegar is nearly finished when its astringent flavor develops. Then use a litmus paper test or a pH meter to make sure the vinegar has a pH in the vinegar range of below 3, and continue to stir every day until the vinegar is shelf stable. This batch took about a month and gave a yield of 350 milliliters. Stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, rhubarb vinegar will last a very long time because it is difficult for most harmful pathogens to grow in strong acidic conditions.